Okay, so I got the Kohler all back together into the Gravely, and look, it's snowing out. I got the snow blower hooked up, and I'm going to try to start it for the first time. We will see what happens. Well, I think I need some juice in my battery. Tell me that isn't awesome. Listen to that thing. Maybe I'll put the air cleaner on. This thing is awesome! Holy cow! This is called the Dog Eater Snowblower. It's clogged already. Awesome. Maybe it would have helped if I didn't push it across the driveway. There we go. This is a Dog Eater. This is about 1950 technology. In idle. The 1968 Rebuild Commercial 12. No safeties. It'll go all by itself.